Hello guys, how to fix REFMON initialization failed blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen of error on your system, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. And in device manager window, look for any device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for driver. How do you want to search for drivers? And window will update this driver. Apply this procedure for all other device driver having yellow color exclamation mark and outdated. You may for all your device driver. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Search and type memory diagnostic. Open Windows Memory Diagnostic app in your system, and here check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. So choose restart now and check for problems recommended. Click on this and follow on screen instruction to complete the checking of Windows Memory Diagnostic tools. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Apply disk cleanup. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup windows in your system. Choose your drive. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive where your program files keeps, and a new window will appear here. Make the check against option temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and such other, and finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Choose delete this file and let the window calculating your cleaning up your drive, and after that check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search again and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt windows will open now, and here execute the command chkdsk space your drive later slash. You can change your drive later with C and slash F space enter. Check the next time the system restarts. Click on type Y and press enter and follow on screen instruction. It will check your device driver status and fixed any problem if you found, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type rstrui to open system restore windows. Click on OK and restore system files and settings window will appear, and here you will find a recommended restore, but you can choose a different restore point. Click on next, and here you will find restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may open show more restore point and select restore point from which your computer was in good condition and click on next. From your restore point, choose finish, and Windows will restore your system when your system was in good condition, and after that restart your system, and accordingly your problem blue screen error will definitely be resolved.